All right, let's get into some application. So as always, remember that this blue would represent like maybe a pencil, something lighter. The reason I don't use pencil in these demos is because it doesn't show up on the camera, so I use blue. What we're going to do is we are going to draw a few boxes. Remember that when you draw your box, it should start with the side that's the most easy to draw on a piece of paper. So it's the side that has height and width, because your paper also has height and width. The side that we're creating the illusion is depth, and our paper doesn't have that. Our paper is perfectly flat. So you want to start by drawing the 2 vertical and 2 horizontal lines, and then you're going to work back in. Diagonal, diagonal, bonus points if you can get them to be the same length. And some people would stop here, and I don't want you to think it's wrong to stop here, but if you are intending to get better at this, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to draw all sides. By drawing all the sides, all 6 sides of the cube, not just the 3 we can see, you're able to check your work. After you draw all 6 sides, you can go back in and you can maybe darken the lines that would show the viewer would see. Notice that I'm allowed to change my mind. I changed my mind on that line. Because you want, your early marks are the ones that should be adjusted. So there's my first box. And I think this part here where I changed my mind, I probably would have liked the original better. So it kind of fell apart, but that's okay because this is practice. So box 1. For my second box, I don't want to draw this one over again. I want to play around with things rotating in space. So maybe instead, let's start with there, and then let's do a shorter face. Should I say more narrow face? And then let's make this box go further back in space. There we go. Alright, I like it so far. This time, as a fun little exercise, I'm going to put in all my vertical lines first. Then I'm going to do my horizontals. And then I'm going to do all my diagonals. What's nice about this is you don't have to reset the angle of your arm. You can batch out your work. So that is box 2. Alright, let's pick a space for box 3. This time, I'm going to draw the box from the corner. Give it a shot. Some of you hotshots who think you don't have to draw through your boxes, that's okay if you want to try. But if you don't draw through your box, you're never going to be able to pull one off like this. Alright, look at me go. For those of you wondering why this box looks a little quote-unquote better than the first two, it's because I'm drawing in a system called 3-point perspective. I'm drawing in this system to encourage you guys to draw through your boxes that we're doing in oblique perspective. If you master oblique perspective, you'll be able to move on to 3-point perspective. But if you don't draw through, you will not master it. So that is my encouragement to you. Because who doesn't want to draw boxes in 3-point perspective like this? Look how good they look. Isn't it great? They just look fantastic. All right, that's my third box. I'm going to do 2 more on my own. I want you guys to do 5 more on your own.